Alright guys, we're on 3489 on the 903, which is of course the Line 3 replacement bus. So here's an update, today being October 21st, 2023. So the only change that they've made is that 2 weeks ago they opened a brand new bus terminal just south of the existing bus terminal at Kennedy Station, and that of course addresses the amount of like overcrowding on buses and between people as well. And although like it's obviously much better than waiting inside the actual station, it's a bit of a pain in the ass to walk because you gotta like exit the fare paid zone and then go up and then just walk, especially when it's like freaking cold outside. So the only two routes that serve the new bus terminal are the 903 and the 954 Lawrence East Express. Now, next month there will be even bigger changes, as 8 important routes in Scarborough that terminate at Scarborough Centre will extend to Kennedy Station, and that will be a game changer to residents, commuters, obviously, because you won't have to transfer, because transferring buses at Scarborough Centre Station have been a pain in the ass for a lot of people. And as you guys know, I go to school in Scarborough, and that includes one of my of all of the 8 routes that are being sent to Kennedy Station. That includes like the route I take to get to school. So I'm very well looking forward to this, because that way I don't have to transfer to another bus. Also, November 19th, that's the original closure date for Line 3, but obviously that was different. Lost my train of thought now. Oh yeah, so the routing right now is northbound on Kennedy, southbound on Midland Avenue, then east-west on Progress Avenue. However, they're still working on painting of the bus lanes, like you're gonna see in a couple of minutes. They've pretty much finished up on Ellesmere Road, so you're gonna see it coming up. And then after the 19th, or actually the 18th, because the 19th is when service takes effect, the full transit priority measures will be in place, and we'll use the bus lanes too. Look. Also, right now, the route is being shared with Malvern and McNichol garages. However, starting that day, it'll be operated solely from McNichol. Of course, you know, lately it's always been about operational workforce, capacity constraints. So unfortunately, it's going to be like friggin' Nova diesels and not Nova hybrids or Orion hybrids. So yeah, right now we are on the bus lanes, like still partially under construction, but you know, we've been making use of it. And I gotta say though, the 903, it's not bad at all. Obviously, it's a bit longer than the SRT itself. I mean, we are going pretty fast, but if it's during rush hour, you know, you're going to be somewhat mixed in along with traffic, and I did hear from some people that it takes like it took like 30-40 minutes just to go from Kennedy to STC. So, oh look, we're at a light. I'm going to pause it right here. Yeah, so several intersections along the corridor will be signalized and essentially giving buses like full priority of this. So average, if you watch my previous two videos on my 903, like it literally takes like around like 12-15 minutes. But even during rush hour, like you're heading north at PM rush hour, it'll take like it'll be like extremely long, right? But November 19th, it's probably going to be like 10 minutes now, or probably 11. And then in the mid-2020s, when that right-of-way bus infrastructure opens, that'll be a completely different story. As we're now coming up to Lawrence Avenue. So when we get off at next stop Kennedy, I'll show you guys the bus platform, the new one at least. I mean, I'm looking forward to these new changes, especially where we don't have to transfer to another bus. But now I have like 3 options to get to school from Kennedy. Oh, look at that. It's all dirt now. There's a tractor right there. Maybe later this week I'll do the route heading northbound, departing from the new bus terminal. And Eglinton Avenue coming up. And I just finished adding new lanes here. Originally I thought it was like Metrolink subway work, but I was wrong. There it is, guys, the now abandoned RT infrastructure. sad thing about Kennedy Station too is that we won't. It won't have 3 rapid transit lines. And that would have included 3 different modes because one is subway, one is light rail, and one is light metro. And Kennedy would have been the first subway station in the city to have 3 lines. Alright, so this is how we are getting into the new bus terminal. Oh, and full disclosure, I already took this route down here once, but that was coming back from school. I think when I took it, it's around the same time like how long I've been filming this, so there's the new Eglinton LRT entrance. The old turnaround loop, which caused several problems to the RT. And
this is an express vehicle.
There it is. This is on the this used to be a parking lot, but they already had plans to close it and turn this into a new bus terminal. And this obviously is going to host the 8 extended routes from Scarborough Centre Station. Again, the only downside is that you gotta walk a little bit, and when it's like freaking cold as hell. At least there's bus shelters, but you know, outside it's not really enough. Get the thumbnail here. And you gotta board the bus like right there, but this guy's gonna lay over. And this is how you gotta get into the subway station now. Again, not a bad ride, but it's gonna be definitely a problem come winter. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out and bye bye.